Okay, so if you Google out on Tableau, you'll find there's a there are different you can say definitions and tutorials also available on it, and you'll find lots of you can say training videos as well, which are posted on the Tableau website itself. So those who are keen on learning it faster can also refer to those websites or the videos which they can refer to and learn as well. Okay, so just to give you an overview of what Tableau is, we can say Tableau is a business intelligence tool. Okay, so the BI tool, and it is mainly used for visually analyzing the data. Okay, so that means the users can create and distribute an interactive dashboard. We might have you might have done dashboards in Excel as well. Okay, so using Tableau, the users are able to create dashboards which are very interactive and which can be shared also. That means they are shareable. Okay, and the you can say the presentation of different trends and variation, or you can say the density of the data in the form of graphs and charts, and stories also, you can say, can be represented and can be easily understood by different users. Okay, and Tableau can access different types of files. That is the biggest advantage of Tableau. Files like, it can access even a simple Excel file or a CSV file, or if they want to access some relational database, they can access those files as well. Okay, so whether it is MySQL or Oracle, or from big data sources, they can easily access the file and use it. Okay, even UMLs and all. So name any format, and you'll find that Tableau is able to access those files easily and extract the data and work on it. Okay. Now, this particular software, that is your Tableau software, it also allows data blending and you can say real-time collaboration as well. Data blending, we will be learning this when we come again, just for your information, where we can merge different types of data together, and even doing filtering, sorting, and some conditional formatting also is available. You can write SQL statements also to extract a part of the data from the data set which is available to you. So all that stuff can be easily done through this particular software. And as I said, it is real-time collaboration. That means multiple users can work on the same you can say platform or same file, and give the inputs, and you can also put it live. So we do have an option of sharing your visualizations which you will be creating. Last year when we took this subject, uh, the BA students had taken a part in one of the competition of BA visualization, where every week they come up with some challenge, and those who are interested, they can enroll for those challenges. They provide the data set, and they can create a visualization from the data set which they feel is giving some insight about the data set. And those who come first and so on, there are some prizes, and their data is shared across all the platforms. So that is one thing which, if you are really interested in future, you can try it out. There were many students who worked on lots of data on COVID-19 data set. Okay, so during that pandemic period, this data set was available, and I know many of them in the second year students, they had also posted on Twitter and the other platforms, whatever they designed, the storyline which they had designed, the dashboard looked beautiful, and very, each and every information, if I have to look at, I could just click on a particular thing, and it used to give me the full data about that particular, you can say chart, or that map which was created by them. Okay, so like this, if you are interested, you can try something different also. And as I said, it is real time as well, so multiple people can work simultaneously as well. on the same projects as well, and you can see, how Tableau is different from Excel. Tableau, as I said, is more versatile in graphical representation. You will find different types of graphs which are not supported by Excel, which are available, might be in new version. Excel might come up with those chart types as well, or they might have already come up with it. But if you look at Tableau, the way it looks is totally different. Okay, and especially there are dashboards, the interactive dashboards which can be created, looks awesome. Okay, so we will do that. We are going to look at that whole package as a tool for creating all visualizations. Okay, now as I said in the beginning also, I want everyone to have a laptop with them, and those who do not have a laptop, or they might be having a desktop or any other feature, they can just check out how we can install the software. So today I'll show you how to install the software, because even I have not installed it. I have downloaded the software and kept it. And for your information, Tableau is freely available, but it is a trial version of 14 days. And under the academic version, we do have 1 year license copy of the Tableau software for the students as well as the instructors. Okay, so all those who want to download the software, I'll request them to download it for the student version, the academic version, and from there they can fill the form. There is one small form. I'll just show you that as well on the screen. I'll share my screen for some time, and I'll show you how to do how to go about doing that as well. Okay. Now, before we actually start downloading and installing the software and going through that whole process, let me tell you about some of the features which are there in Tableau. Okay, like as I said, Tableau can handle various scenarios, you can say, or different diverse scenarios. It is a very a high level programming, you can say, software, but you do not require that expertise for programming or for coding it, because very less coding is required when we handle Tableau. The majority of the work will be done by just dragging and dropping different objects and different tools from here and there. Okay, so you do not need to be very good in programming. That is one thing. Not lots of coding is required. Some coding will be required, especially when we write some SQL statements to extract data. That time we might require some, you can say, one-liners, and especially the structured query language we are going to use here. Okay, but majority of the times what we are going to do is we are going to just extract data from Excel. So I'll be using Excel as my backend, where I'll have the data set. Okay, I'll use that to extract the data and just use it. Okay, you'll also find that Tableau does not need a very complex software setup as well. It's very easy to install. The desktop version is also available. As I said, the mobile version is also available, but as I have not gone through the mobile version, I have not installed it. Those who do not have an option of installing the desktop version can try out the mobile version as well on their mobiles. Okay, provided your mobile is supporting that particular software and it is not hampering the speed of your mobile as well, or the other features of your mobile. Okay, and you'll find that the users usually explore and analyze the data using the different visual tools which are available, like the colors, the trend lines, the charts, the graphs. They have to just, as I said, they have to just drag and drop it, and write some little script, and they are ready with something, you can say, chart is ready, and it represents your database in a very different way. Okay, and it can also blend different data sets. As I said, you can have different data coming from different types of sources. Some can be structured, some can be semi-structured, or even the raw data sources, the real-time data can be extracted. So all this can be merged or blended together at very, you can say very less cost. Even the licensed version which come for professionals, the charges are not that very high. So once you get into, you can say, businesses or companies, and they are making use of this particular software or the tool, remember the softwares are not that expensive at all. Okay. And because of this different features, uh, the use of Tableau has increased a lot over a period of time. And that is one of the reason why we decided last time, okay, we will be focusing on Tableau as well. Okay. And then comes the real-time collaboration. As I said, Tableau can do filtering, they can do sorting, we can discuss data on a fly, and we can have live dashboards on portals also, like SharePoint is there. So you can have a live dashboard, uploaded there as well. Or you might have heard about Salesforce. Okay. So you can save your view of data, you can save your view of data, and allow your colleagues also to, have a look at that particular data and give their own interactions, or their own views can be also posted. And that's how you can have real-time collaboration through just using a browser. A web browser will be more than enough for this particular purpose. And all your database which is actually required for, the data sets which are required for Tableau can be centrally managed. So you have a centralized data as well. So Tableau server provides you the centralized location to, manage all the organization published data source as well. So when we go to the website, you'll find Tableau server also available to be downloaded. So if you are interested in that as well, you can do it, but it is not required for us, because we are not going to look at the Tableau server as of now, and it's not a part of your syllabus as well. But we are definitely going to go and download the Tableau desktop version. And as I said, first initially we'll be downloading the 14 days trial version, and we'll also fill a form to get the 1 year free license as a student, so that we can work on Tableau continuously. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll just share my screen with you, and we can. I'll show you the website where we can go and download the software. So let me share the screen first. I hope, can you see the screen clearly, guys? It's visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yeah, thanks. We'll go to the browser, and now I'm using this browser here. You have to just write Tableau there. It's Tableau for students. If you directly want to search for Tableau, either you use this one, Tableau, or you can use Tableau for students. Now, because we'll be downloading this one, I've already downloaded Tableau for tutors. Okay, that I have downloaded and kept it aside, but I have not got the license, 1 year license yet. So soon I might be getting it. For that, I'll be installing the 14-day trial version. Okay. So this is the first website. You can just click on this here. Okay, this is the website. And immediately you can see, first of all, what I want you all to do is, I want you all to sign in. Okay, so use this sign in to register yourself on Tableau platform. Okay. Are you going to do it simultaneously, or I'll explain you first and then you can do it? Or you want it? Especially those who are going to install the software right now.
Sorry, you can tell us. We'll do it later.
Okay, fine. That sounds better. Okay. So in this case, what you're supposed to do is, first of all, as I said, you go to this sign in first. Okay. Sign in using one of your email IDs, okay, which you will be using. You need not have the navalwarrior.com email ID to prove that you are a student. Okay, because last year also the student had downloaded the software and they didn't require that particular software. Sorry, the email ID. Okay, or you can directly come here coming back. If you don't want to register, you can also come here and get Tableau for free. You can click here. Okay, and it will start downloading. This is the option you get. Okay, and from here, you can see this. This is for the teachers. Are you a tutor? And for teachers, you can go here, which I have done already, and we can request for a license here. Okay, region, of course, you can take India from here. Okay, you can put your email ID, punch in your name, first name, last name, email ID. Okay, your date of birth. Now, in case of the school name, please note down that you're going to start with Modern Education Society. Okay, so Modern Education Societies, Naval Wadia. So education. Okay, here, let me search for the name of the institute. Okay, here it is. So you're going to select this. So Modern Education Societies, Naval Wadia Institute of Management Studies and Research. Okay, you select this one. Okay, and how will you be using this? This is only because you're going to learn. So you can click on learn as a part of course, or you can say learning on own. Both, whichever you would like to select, you can select. Okay, so when you select one of them, you can click on verify student status as well. Now, because I have not entered my email ID, my email ID has not been entered, so I cannot click here and I cannot go further. So all this information, once it is entered, you'll be able to download that version. Okay, and you will be getting a mail in your email ID. Go there and verify it. So it will ask you to first verify that it is you have requested for the license, and within some, I think 48 hours, or they say, or they claim, you can say, in 48 hours, you might get the student license, which will be in your mail. Okay, so once you get the student license, you can install the software, and if you have already installed, you can just go and punch in the credentials, especially the license key, which they will provide you. You can go and enter that there as well. Okay, so I think this much is clear, guys, how to go and do about downloading, or anything else you want me to tell you about. One more thing, remember, one more thing, please remember, if you are not able to get the mail, if verify the student status is not happening, then in that case, what we will do is we'll create email IDs for all of y'all. So all the students who have registered in the Google Classroom, I'll create email ID using the navalwadia.com domain and provide you those email IDs. And from there, we can go ahead. Okay, that can be also done if it is not giving you the license for 1 year. Okay, so that is the plan B if plan A does not work. Okay, now let me run the setup. So I have already got the setup for 14-day trial setup. So I'll go back, I'll close this. Now I need to go to my PC and the downloads. Okay, now this is my Tableau desktop version, and depending on whether it is a 32-bit machine or a 64-bit machine, that particular software will get downloaded for you. Now the latest version is 2021 2.0. So I'll just double click it. Because I've not done the setup, I wanted to show you the setup live. I'll minimize this. Okay. Now this is the beginning of your setup. It says it gives you the version. Here you can see this is Tableau 2021.2. Okay. If you're interested in reading all the terms and the license terms and the privacy policy and all, you can go ahead and do it. But I have to just click on this checkbox. I have read and accept the terms and the terms which is there in the license agreement. Okay, and select the checkbox. Don't send product usage data. So I am going to select this also. Okay, and click on install. Okay, this might take some time. Now, once it is installed, quickly we'll go through a small setup. Well, I'll connect to some data, some Excel. Let us see whether it gives me some sample files as well. So if sample data set files are available, then we'll connect to that. And I'll show you how very easy it is to connect to a data set and just drag and drop and produce a simple graph as well. So let us wait and see how it happens. And as I said, this is my 14-day trial version. I'm waiting for the key to arrive. As soon as I get the key, this will be my license version for 1 year. Okay, so you can see this now. The setup has been completed, and it says click restart to reboot the computer and complete the process of installing or uninstalling. Okay, so I need to restart. So what I'll do is I'll stop the meeting. I want you all to rejoin the meeting again, and I'll restart my machine. Okay, that will be fine with you all.
Yes, sir.
So please
Yes, sir.
rejoin. I'll stop the whole meeting for you all.